Hello everyone. So today we're gonna create a simple 2 pages Flutter demo. So before we start, we need to install Flutter. So first thing first, we have to in our Visual Studio we have to download our extension, which is the Dart and the Flutter. And then after you install it, in your keyboard you're gonna press Control plus Shift plus P. So Control Shift P, and it will appear this option, a Flutter new project. And since mine is already installed, it's gonna ask to install a requirement, which is the Android SDK. And then you're gonna have to uh, configure it, and for more information you have to go in documentation in Flutter, so you can install it on your own. And then after you press the Flutter new demo, a new project, press this application, and then you're gonna select your preferred folder where you put your project, and then you name your project, which is uh, demo activity. Here we go. We have to wait. There we go. So here's our template. And then to test it if it works, you have in your keyboard you have to press F5, which is, and then you're gonna select Chrome. Okay, it's launching. We have to wait. There we go. So this is the Flutter default demo page. So as you can see, it's very simple. It's only now so to create our own 2 pages, simple 2 pages Flutter demo, we have to erase the main Dart. So and then we have to, and the first thing is we have to import our packages. Import package Flutter material Dart, and then we have to create our main. So this will be our main method, and then we have to create our my app method, which is this. So the way we do it is you press ST, then press the stateless widget, which is the static page, and then rename it to my app. There we go. And then in our my app class, we're gonna create our root, which is material app. Oops. Material app, and material app, we're gonna title it Flutter demo, and then our theme, which is blue, and then our home, which is will be blank, since we have to create another class, stateless widget. So our second class will be named home page, and then in my app class it will be home page. So it will refer this root or main to home page, and then in our home page we're gonna return it to scaffold. Our content in our home page. So in our scaffold, we're gonna do up bar, which is the upper navigation bar. Up bar, and we're gonna title it home page. Here we go. And then our body, which is center. And then we're gonna create a child. Then we're gonna create a elevated button, which is a button so we can go to second page. Elevated button. Elevated button. Oh. Go to second page. And then context. Oh. Oops. Okay. So since we have error here, we're gonna create another class, which is st stateless widget, and then we're gonna name it as second page. So in our second page, we're gonna create another scaffold for another for a content for our second page. So scaffold. And then we're gonna create our up bar, our upper navigation bar, up bar, title, second page, text, second page. Oops. Okay, then our body is center. We're gonna center it and then okay. In our body, we get another elevated button to go back to our main page. So elevated button. On press, navigator pop the context, and then we're gonna name our button to child, concept name, go back to home page. Okay. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now we have our own Flutter demo, simple 2 pages Flutter demo. So there's our own page, and then we refresh it. Now there's our second page. Then go back. So that's pretty much it. So the way it works here is in our home page we have our scaffold, which is our content. Inside the scaffold we have our up bar, which is our navigation bar, and here home page, and then our body, which is centered with the content of our elevated button here, which is centered, and then we with the text is saying go to second page. So after if the button is pressed, then it will push to second page. So what will happen here, the main page will be like push. So the beneath the home page would reveal the second page. So if you press it, here we go. You can see the animation here that it's actually push. So it will push, then beneath the home page will reveal the second page. And then in second page, another it is basically the same scaffold, upper navigation bar, and then body. And but in when pressing the button, it will say pop. That means the the second page will get removed, then it will go back to the beginning. So basically remove, then and then the original page will prevail, which is our home page. So that's pretty much it. So this is our this is my Flutter simple Flutter second page demo. Thank you.